country life, guys. My sister. Camille.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Camille, my sister on video. Why go don't you know run gun?
Yeah, we can't give back if you want it. But you have money and your mother for sell up until the people come and give back still.
Camille, what that they call? Gypsy. You go upon my Tilipi and all upon me Dilipi.
Me give back, man. Me give back if you know the pan.
Ask Ricky what time he might come. He pick up cause yet? Ricky, you get cause yet?
At 3,000, must be 150 or 3,050. Depends on how you buy it.
Ask him if he get cause yet. Ricky, oi!
Buy it, man. Me give back if you want.
Ask him if he get cause yet now.
You get cause? Where cause there?
Oh, here cause there.
I ask you.
Oh.
And you try to sit there, man. Hypo.
Alright, guys. I'm going to look for my banana. I have... Wait. I have a banana walk here, guys, a little. Oh, where they reach, Camille? Oh, God, Camille, the banana them speckle. Camille, come cut it down here for me. No, I'm put it down in our house. Guys, look here. Me come to Jamaica, come get banana. My banana walk. You see, guys, this is my little banana walk. I'm going to put some more here. Over there. Oh my God, guys, let me show you something. Lord gosh, come here, them speckle. Oh man, I know a good thing. Camille, go cut it for me. But Camille, more banana up here, man. Huh? What that Camille? Banana walk, guys. Camille, come cut the banana. Camille, what kind of bottle? What bottle is that? What bottle is it? Oh, so why you have it around here, Ado? Oh. My sister gonna cut this banana. Alright. Oh God, no make it mash up, Camille. No, me not hold no other side. Camille can cut it. Camille not gonna make it drop down. She gonna bend it and cut it off. Woo! It drop, Camille. Oh, it not drop. Lord. You hold hand right up. Let me see now, Camille. Look here. Put it here.
You me see that video me?
Your finger, see make your finger them drop off.
No,
here.
we shouldn't have that.
What?
Something I eat one.
I know eat it I eat. Oh yes, something.
You want me lick you? Hey.
Come here, see. I saw me say I look where I look. Come here, you think the one in our house ripe?
No, see they're green.
Oh, it's green.
Banana.
Oh,
If
this
you
a
cook.
this a ripe in banana. This ready for eat now. Come here, see a speckle. Guys, you ever see people that eat banana speckle pan tree? Yeah?
Wash it.
Wash it first. That's how you not eat the skin. Come here, you know just peel off. You not eat it.
Wash the banana.
You not wash nothing. When we there country, Kevin, when you there bush and a bush down so, you all go wash. You not go wash no banana. You just peel off the banana. And no
Wash the banana because wrap me on one side and you wrap it something for your roast.
Kevin, you just peel it off and make your hand no catch it inside and you eat it. That's it. No, sir. Oh my, I go say who cut it. You must have feel it. Make it lean up, make it drain out. Guys, see me back. Let me cut this away so they can see. Alright guys, this is the banana. One finger I'm gonna eat right now. And the whole, how much hand? Let me see how much hand, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A 7 or 8 hand. About 7 guys, 7 or 8. You know, it look like 7 to me. Country life. Alright guys. Guys, see one more there. About how much hand that lolly? Like about 8, 9 hand. Because the one when me cut a 7, this one bigger. It's about 8, 9. And that's it. Then one you're fine. I go plant some more. It's good to plant. I go cut out the boy, Omar. You see my cut in so every time you cut one, you have to plant back one, not true? Yeah. Alright guys, see it here. Oh, that one you have been over mine too? Oh. Oh my God, but this one is much. That one you big. It go big, but it don't go pop down. It can't go manage it. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm more about 10 hand or 11. And the tree already bent. You can't manage it. Alright guys, this is my little banana walk. You want to farm up, I go cut out on my backside to plant some more banana tree. Me tell you, say chopper can't chop coconut. May you chop off your finger? You know make a spoon? Oh. Cut me one first now.
I think a little look.
Who? Oh, you car?
Come up.
Oh man, get a big one for me now. See some big one over here. I see one there. What I want there? A big one. The bus and leak out. It leak out, eh? Juice still in there? Me drink that. Will you plan to drink some coconut? Watch your finger, yeah. Guys, although it's bittersweet, we still drink some coconut water and we give God thanks, yeah? Omar, I'm not even, I look a bit in there.
If you're here, boy. It's sweet. Yeah, man. Cut it. And cut off a piece something for. Why you cut such a big something for? Watch your finger. When you don't care about the bucket, you want the back. How much the people in bucket? When you use catch water. Come on, hold me and eat me coconut. Why?
I'll go jelly or...
Yeah, man, you can go.
I didn't want one.
Yeah. I don't know. Make everybody get
I will be on.
Contact nobody there. They're in there, right? Come drink a coconut.
We'll back one. You can go.
I was saw them.
Omar, you gonna pick up more?
I was saw them that, Omar.
See one day, take 100.
I lost one.
Good.
Drink on. I want to shake.
I'm going to Japan bus.
Bossy.
Eat the boss. So my look in there now.
Oh. What's that?
Half me get in this one.
Drink. Oh,
You see how big? In cut it too big. Some part hard. I want a spoon. Alright. Guys, this is my Sunday morning breakfast. Curry chicken and yam, yellow yam, banana, and ackee and saltfish. The family is eating because we're going now to Sylvester's funeral. There's lots of them here. And guys, we're drinking some fever grass tea. Mine is in this cup.